If you're seeing Facebook error code 282, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to fix it quickly. This is the kind of error that can show up when Facebook is having trouble loading properly, when your connection is unstable, or when your account needs a fresh login. So before you panic, just follow along with me and we'll go through the easiest fixes first. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos just like this one. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is refresh the page by pressing F5 on your keyboard. Sometimes error code 282 is caused by a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is enough to get things working again. If you're on a phone or tablet, you can also reload the page manually using the browser refresh option. After that, take a moment to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily trigger this type of Facebook error, so make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try opening another website or app to confirm that your connection is stable. If the internet looks fine and the error is still there, the next step is to log out of your Facebook account and log back in again. This can help reset your session and clear out any temporary account glitches. To do that, sign out completely, close the app or browser, then open Facebook again and log in using your credentials. A fresh login often fixes problems that happen because of corrupted session data or a minor account sync issue. Now, if you still see error code 282, you should check whether your account has any restrictions. Facebook may sometimes place limits on certain accounts for security or policy reasons, and that can affect how the platform behaves. Look for any alerts, warnings, or notifications in your account settings or support inbox that could explain the issue. If there are restrictions, you may need to follow Facebook's steps to verify your identity or resolve the account status before the error goes away. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the problem right away. So remember the order. First, refresh the page, then check your internet connection, then log out and log back in, and finally, check your account for restrictions. Taking these steps one by one is the safest and easiest way to troubleshoot Facebook error code 282 without making things more complicated. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.